Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, let's draw a name. I don't know why I just dumped these out everywhere, but well, that was quick. We have Open Air Fish Market. Sweet. Our brother Tommy, who I just mentioned in last week's video, so funny how that worked out. Let's show you a sticker. So here's a sticker right next to this Joker. Bro Joseph Russell. The vacant non-being around Fab Creations. Hope you're okay, brother. Bushcraft and Baseball again. Hike with Mike. Last week's M.I. Woodsman. Carolina Chris. Sweet.
Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching. And I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women, from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.